All right, we're going on a quick test drive here. We have 148,321 miles on the odometer. Now the flickering you see here on the screen, that's just in camera, that is not in person. If you notice, the steering wheel is slightly off center. Right here, just a little bit. Shifting nice and smooth. I'm gonna hit on the brakes here. Brakes feel good. A little mushy in the pedal at first, but then they lock in tight. These seats are very, very comfy. Alignment feels good, driving nice and straight. Typical rattles with the year. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Looking at the tires here, you got the All Country MTs, Ironmans. They look really, really good. Date code 2021. You have a ton of tread left on them. Looking at the wheel, typical imperfections for the year. Overall still looks really good. Checking out that paint. A couple little rock chips here and there. Looks good. Little flaws here and there. Little chip there. Overall that looks good. Typical wear on the glass. Little chips. That lower rocker though, that's looking really nice. A-pillar looks good. You do have some light scratches in the glass. A couple chips, a few little scuffs. For the most part, looks really nice. You're gonna have some little imperfections and scuffs on that flare. That side looks good. Exhaust tips look awesome. Little scratches here and there. Tires look amazing. That wheel looks good. The emblem has a couple flaws, but overall clean. A couple scratches with touch up there. Looking at the front end, got the big guard here in a satin black. I'm gonna scan that hood. Couple dimples here and there. That looks really good. Looking at that lens, I don't see any cracks there. That one looks good. You have some light cracks here. That one's clean. A few small scuffs. Looking around that side, looks good. That lens looks nice. This one has a slight crack in it. Other than that, looks good. That plastic is in great condition. Those fog lights look good. Tires look really nice. A little bit of rash here and there. A couple chips. That mirror looks really nice. A-pillar's clean. You do have a larger gash there. A little scratch in there. A couple dents. Otherwise, that panel looks good. And that flare, that looks nice. Wheel looks good. Lots of tread on the tires. You can see that emblem has some fading and flaws on it. Easy fix there. Got the covers on the taillights. A few little chips here and there. You do have some little cracks on that piece of plastic. Got your tow package. Otherwise, looks really good. All right, checking out the interior here. A little bit of wear here and there. That looks good. That plastic's in great condition. You got heated seats. And then checking out that bolster. That looks amazing. Now, typical wear on the edges. Otherwise, that seat is really, really nice, especially this bottom bolster. Steering wheel is nice and clean. It's not chewed up. It looks good. That screen looks good. Buttons are in great condition. Scanning through the upper side of the dash. Looks good. Then checking out this door panel. Looks really good. That trim looks nice. You got the heated seats. I don't see any rips or tears on that bolster, just typical wrinkles over the years, but overall very, very clean. That looks good. Plastics are nice and clean. Dash looks really nice. Scanning through the upper section. That looks good. Got your overhead console with your garage door opener. Got a little rip there, a couple small stains, but otherwise in great condition. Alright, looking back here, scanning through all this. Looks good. A couple little stains here and there, but overall in great condition. Got the tinted glass. A couple little cuts there, otherwise really nice.